Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy wall decor DIY idea. Let's get started. As you guys can see in the video, the item I'm going to use for today's project is the 4x6-inch photo frame from Dollar Tree. Initially, I wanted to buy those photo frames in gold color, but I only found them in silver in my local Dollar Tree store. So I decided to spray painted the frame in gold by myself. If you can find the gold ones, you really don't need to do this step. For this project, I used 20 photo frames. The second item I used for today's project is the gold glitter paper I got from Amazon. I wanted to use this paper to give a little bit glitter effect in the middle of the photo frame. For better texture, you can consider using crushed glass and apply some glitter on top of that. Using glitter paper is just a quicker and less expensive alternative to that. Basically, I just prepared the glitter paper into the right size and apply it onto the glass cover of the photo frame. This is how the glass cover looks when I applied the glitter paper on it. They look very nice. The glitter effect isn't that bad. So I'm totally okay with this alternative. When the frame is dry, I just put the glass cover back to it. Next, you need to prepare a large black board or plaque. The dimension of the one I used is 31 inches by 31 inches. Next, I want to show you how I laid out those photo frames onto the blackboard. What I wanted for this pattern is irregular shape on the out layer, but with no openings or a void area in the middle. This can be easily achieved because the photo frame is rectangular shape. You certainly can design your own pattern, not necessarily following mine. After I set up the pattern, I used hot glue gun to glue all the frames onto the blackboard. It worked pretty well. Let's check out how this decor looks. Wow, it's very unique and it doesn't look cheap at all. Let me know how you feel about today's DIY project. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. If you also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumb up. I will be super excited about that. I really appreciate your support. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good weekend. I will see you guys in my next video.